people go into denial to enjoy a magic trick. Because I obviously don't really do magic. You just imagine it. You fool yourself because you insist on doing it. I do A and I do B, and you put them together like all people, and you come up with C, which is a surprise. You weren't expecting it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, you know this is physically impossible. They changed the rules on us since we went to school, see? Anyway, now you know if I ask a kid how many spots there are, you know what they say? 3, because there are. See, once you've gone to school, you see 4. That's scary, isn't it? Kid will always say 3. They say it as it is. Adults say there's got to be 4 because that's a pattern. See, because we see in patterns. So this is called denial. We don't want to believe that's there, so we wipe that one out of our mind. Because that would ruin the pattern, you see, 2 or 4. Now look at this side. It's just as bad. It looks like a 1, you see, or it looks like a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see 1, but not really, of course. 2 and not really. 3 and not really. And 4 not really. So you see, even when I repeat it, it gets to you. So start out, though, for the camera with 1. Oh, I'm sorry. This we can cut. Whoops, wait a minute. You get the idea. Once in a while these things happen, and see what happens to you. You may notice that some of you are a little bit confused by now, and see that means we're on our way. You see, the more confused you get, the more open people are to learning new ideas. And I'm sure there are other lessons like that. Well, in magic, or in learning, when you admit, well, I don't know exactly everything that's happening, so I better pay attention. I'm not sure of what I know. I'm not positive this won't cause a problem. You're at a different level of attention. This is a very fast trick. It doesn't seem like it, but it's very fast. How long does that trick take? Look at your watch. Oh, okay. Here it is right in here. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's it. Right. And you see, occasionally, because we fall into patterns, we need to pay attention and look at things anew. And that's what magic helps you do. Example of that at work, of course, if you didn't have patterns, it would take forever to do something. But now and then we need to re-look at it, like at meetings like this, and say, should this be done that way, or is there a better way of doing it? At first it doesn't look dangerous, although it is painted safety red. But it has a few parts to it that could be considered dangerous. Would you reach through? That's much better, much funnier. And would you reach through? And pick this up. Ah, that's much funnier. Now, it's much funnier when we do this. Now, whatever happened is going to be funny, so just go with it. My part is this. I'm going to move this forward, move your arm here. Now, take your remaining hands and get used to the term and pick up the edge of this cloth right over here. There, you got it. Okay. Now, you see that's to hit it so nothing falls down here. Keep it down just a little bit. Okay. Want to be neat and clean. You want this just to be over with, don't you? Okay, we're going to hang on to this. And I will say this first. These people that came up here today and the people that helped out there all were risk takers. And this is exemplified by these two people. They came up here, and the risk was not being in a safety trick. The risk was the risk of looking foolish by putting themselves out there, saying out loud the things that are on their mind, and helping in some way to make this successful for everyone. So we're going to try this now and do the ultimate test. So hang on to this at the count of 3. Oh, you caught that. Let go of that and that. Hang on to that right over there. And would you pick up this hand right over here? Would you take your hand out of here? Would you give them a round of applause? Thank you for coming up here. Thank you. Thank you. Going back to your seats. Give them a round of applause over here. All right. But all those people that helped out up here, would you stand for a moment? Everyone that helped, give them a round of applause out here, please. All right. thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.